Let them listen. Cut on. Right. So yeah. So Harish, something brief about your project. Like, what are the scenarios you have covered in the implementation?
Scenario in business scenario, we added the business
Uh huh.
partners fields,
Uh
new
huh.
fields as a uh, client need to add in field like business partner IDs.
Okay.
It's deletory area
Uh huh.
with with working team.
Okay.
And second most important, the product hierarchy.
Uh huh.
Uh, the many types of product
Uh
depend
huh.
on the territory to for B2B and B2C customers.
So which area you're strong? Is it marketing? Is it sales? Is it service and CRM?
Also marketing and service.
Marketing and
Service.
service.
Yes.
Out of these two, which you are more strong?
Sorry, sir.
Out of these two, marketing and service, which area is more out of 10? How do you give rating to marketing and how do you give rating to service?
Marketing rating 7 and service is 9.
Oh, you're very good in service.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the service order life cycle?
Yes, service order life cycle. We just raise a ticket when customer call our
No, no, SAP
extension.
service order life cycle, not general.
SAP service order. It is started when the customer take material or our product.
Mhm.
It is a uh, normal service order to buy the product. The service is started this date to uh, last 1 year for all products.
Uh-huh.
And then the issue in working our services, then I am completed to resolve period.
Okay.
SLA is three types in our organization.
Uh-huh.
Uh, First is critical, second is high priority, and
Uh,
third is most high priority.
uh-huh.
Most high priority is solved within a half an hour.
Uh-huh.
So depend on the circle where the more than 1000 customer is linked.
Uh-huh.
We contact our high priority tickets to
Okay.
depend our higher member level
Mm.
management.
Okay.
So it's based on that management level on.
Okay. For the
We
escalation
contact
of
our
ticket,
technical team.
for the escalation of the ticket, how did you configure? Can you give me an SPRO step for escalation?
For acceleration,
Yes.
no idea.
Then how did you work in SLAs? You are explaining me about the ticket management, right?
Yes.
So how did the escalation management? Is there any escalation in your service?
Yes.
No.
One small time I face it. One escalation in
Uh-huh.
my territory. Uh, Depend the fiber cut in
Uh-huh.
B2B customers
Okay.
as a industrial area. It's
Okay.
uh, done after SLA.
Uh-huh.
So the client is escalated. This service is not activated in SLA period. So we
Okay.
face up my business loss.
Uh-huh.
So we can face this escalation. But I am only escalate uh, this issue to our
Yeah.
manager. That's
Harish,
all.
you when I've asked you the question, just a minute. Uh, when I asked you the question about service order management scenario, this is the cycle,
Yes.
but I did not get this sequence at all. You have to be very systematic. First have the, even SD also the same thing, MM or PP. First have the cycle, then only talk about anything.
Okay, sir.
So get prepared.
Okay.
So see, use your SAP documents, nothing more here. Because be very good in the scenario, then go to the customization. When you are telling something, expect the next question. He is saying about service level, service ticket management. It's one area in CRM. But the next question associated is that one. What we tell, because in service, first question everybody will ask, what are you strong in? Marketing, service, he said. Then immediately we'll choose. He has given better rating in every interview they'll ask you where you are good. Because we will not beat around the bush. Because if the candidate is good in pricing, I'll ask pricing. So then he is rated 9, but my rating will be 2.5. That difference is very dangerous. That will end up in. So Harish, better preparation next time,
Okay, sir.
right? So this is a common problem in the candidates who are facing interviews across the globe, not just you, because we don't know what we are learning, we don't know what we are talking about. So be systematic. So you don't have your resume. Shekhar, you have resume. So then how shall I take the interview? Tell about your latest project. Come down here. It has to be recorded. No, because no, it is for all of us.
Rating is currently working.
No. No. I want a difference between this interview and the next. Don't hesitate. Anyway, you will yourself will see and laugh after you get the job. Right? Right. You can go ahead.
I will myself.
Tell about the project. Directly about the project, about yourself. It's a common thing. That for that you don't need a practice.
Technically, we should know.
Yes, technically, let us only discuss about customizations, configurations, what we have to do, what is the project. So this is the practice, because very soon all of you, I want you to see the interviews. Technically, even if you are lagging 10-15%, I'll still manage the show. I'll help you out. But you have to talk to clients, talk to people, there will be 40-50 people will be assessing you. Right? Front door, top door, back door, any doors. But at least, see, getting to the top door is most difficult than getting to the normal door. Because everybody will watch and you have to climb. You should have the strength to face it. Yeah. Tell about the latest project.
Yeah, currently I am working as a SAP SD consultant. As a SAP SD consultant, in working in some AS technologies. I am currently working on project Acer India Private Limited. Working as SAP SD consultant on Acer India Private Limited. I have it has a multinational company and have number of sales organizations and divisions and sales areas. And it has Middle East, Middle East countries and Asian countries and European countries. It has workstation. It has operations in
Multiple countries. Then more about scenarios you have to tell. No. See, basically, if this is the situation, how will you go to IBM? How will you go to Wipros? Because one round or the other, you have to face sometimes, the challenge is the highly qualified people from the other side will be talking to you.
Project manager will be talking to us.
No, the client manager will talk to you. He will talk really on the business. They will say, okay, what kind of implementation till now you have done? You will say, I have done a big bang implementation, then it is fine. How many months it has taken? Everything. So he will come to know, okay, you worked in a retail company, then he'll ask, Did you work with point of sale? Did you work with distribution chains? So if you tell something, definitely it will reflect. Because those all are 30, 40 years experienced people. When we talk to them, you should be very sensible. So at least they'll not expect like them, but at least you should have don't speak wrong things. Try to be correct. So mistakes, still they don't. Bhargav, you explain about the project. Come down.
Well, my name is Bhargava. I completed my Bachelor of Business Management after I started my career in Lakshmi Hyundai from 2006 onwards, and I joined Talwar Hyundai in 2008. And then I want to escalate my career growth, so I joined in SAP at 9apps as a what is the position?
SAP training.
SAP trainer. And then they have
Trainer or trainee?
Trainee.
Yeah, it's training. Yeah.
And then 9apps provide me as a shadow consultant in the implementation project.
Okay.
That is I recently implemented that. The implementation the Hyundai.
Now,
Motor
after
Company-
shadow consulting, what was your first position? So what was your first position? What you enter into SAP? So what is the method in which you have started as a shadow consultant?
Shadow consultant.
It's fine. After that, how did you start your work? Explain me about your first assignment in your career.
My team lead gives to reports to escalate the team leaders.
There will be a task assigned against my name on which in the stipulated timeline I have to finish my project, and you can also say like I receive business process procedures and configuration documents
Yes.
to configure the system, and coming to my first implementation or latest implementation, you have to explain. My latest implementation, the tools I have used, and the specifications I have done, the testing I have done, and how many tasks I have done, what are the areas I have covered, you have to explain.
The tool I have used Remedy.
Remedy is for support, not for implementation. This is a solution manager.
Yes, I have used the solution manager for the implementation, the Hyundai Motor India Limited, and I configured sale documents and item category.
No, you have to first talk about the business processes. This particular client has so and so business processes, and I have worked in the customization in so and so areas.
So client requirements and processes, consignment, bill of materials, in the order to cash. So these are the process client requirements.
Yes. Then
And I have configured sale documents, item categories, and cash area of sale order processing, ADP. So these are
so there are a lot of standard sales document types. Why did you customize Z documents, new document types into your implementation?